We are pleased to show you the 2018 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.